GATE 2018 Civil Engineering question number 51 set 1. A water sample analysis data is given below, in which he has given some ions, concentrations of ions and atomic weights of ions. The carbonate hardness expressed in terms of CaCO3 up to 1 decimal place for the water sample is. For this question you can refer to this NPTEL video lecture. Let's try to understand this question. This question is coming in GATE from a very years, so we must be knowing this question. So he's asking the hardness of water. So in terms of CaCO3, first of all we must be knowing that which one adds hardness. This one adds, this one not add, this one adds, or this one not add, this adds, this adds. So this thing we must be knowing which ions do contribute to carbonate hardness, specifically to carbonate hardness. Let's try to solve this question. First of all we must be knowing about hardness. The hardness, the cations present in the water. There are two types of hardness, which first one is carbonate, second one is non-carbonate. Carbonate is due to carbonate and bicarbonate. Non-carbonate hardness is due to sulfides, nitrates, chlorides, etc. In short, multivalent cations, right? Alkalinity is what? Alkalinity is nothing but measure of measure of quantity of ions present in the water that capable of neutralizing H plus ions. In short, we can say alkalinity is concentration of OH minus ions. So the carbonate hardness will be minimum of total hardness, comma alkalinity. Whoever will be the minimum, which will be the carbonate hardness. Sometimes what happens is non-carbonate hardness remains 0, so the total hardness becomes equals to the carbonate hardness, right? So in that case this total hardness will be the carbonate hardness, and in sometimes carbonate hardness becomes equals to the alkalinity, and these things will become carbonate hardness will become equals to the alkalinity. So let's try to calculate. So 1 gram equivalent of something equals to 50 mg per liter of CaCO3, because atomic weight of CaCO3 is 50 mg per liter. Ca plus 2 concentration is given as 60 mg per liter. Atomic weight is 40, valence is 2, equivalent weight is this I said atomic weight, but this is equivalent. Sorry for that. Atomic weight is 100 divided by valence will equals to equivalent weight 50. So the equivalent weight of Ca plus 2 is 20. So number of grams equivalent will becomes to this 60 upon concentration upon this equivalent weight will become 3, and in terms of CaCO3 it will becomes 150 mg per liter of CaCO3. Similarly for mg and other elements, so number of gram equivalent of CaCO3 for mg plus 2 will become 123.4. Alkalinity is what? Alkalinity is given as this HCO3 400. So the concentration in terms of CaCO3 will become 327.88 mg per liter. So total hardness will become 150 Ca plus 2, 123 mg plus 2, it will become 273. But carbonate hardness is minimum of alkalinity or total hardness, so it will become 273. This So our answer will become 273.4. 273.4. Thank you.